Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 26. I'm going to quickly go over what we're doing this week. This will also probably be a 2-week assignment. I just want to make sure that I'm giving you enough time, as this is our first assignment where we are creating our parts and our assemblies from kind of scratch. And what I mean by that is this week we will be working on creating either a smartwatch or it can just be a regular watch. We will be drawing the three-dimensional parts of a watch, your choice. And because it is your choice, that means it'll be up to you how this watch looks. So you'll be coming up with the shapes. You'll be figuring out how to attach your different parts together. So that is what we're doing this week. I've got an example file on Onshape of a watch that has already been drawn. So you can go check that out, click through that, see all the different parts. Now, I don't want to see you copy this 100%, but if you need to use this as a reference, go for it. Because I'm not giving you dimension drawings that you're just copying from and you are creating them on your own. I've got the directions here for you. And these may slightly change as we go through. I might add more information as it comes up. Again, this is the first time we're doing something like this, so I want to make sure that this document's able to be altered as we go through to make any changes or make anything more precise or concise so that you understand better. So here you go. You'll be creating your own 3D model watch. You're going to look at pictures online to help you come up with an idea of what you want. I recommend that you look up those different styles. For the watch itself, you must create at least 5 different parts. At least. You can have more. When it comes to the dimensions for this watch, you should use either use dimensions you can find online, or you can take a ruler to the watch you have on your wrist and measure them. I don't expect them to be 100% precise, but you should be able to get into the ballpark area close enough to what would be a functional watch. Here are at least the 5 parts you need. I recommend that you will probably end up having more, but I need a minimum of those. For example, the band itself, there's 2 bands. So you probably might want to make that 2 separate files or 2 separate tabs on Onshape, but it's up to you. When you go to turn it in, we will be putting together like kind of a portfolio. So you'll be creating drawings for each part as well as an assembly, and that assembly will include an exploded view. So you'll put it in, explode it, and label the numbers, and then you'll have a part directory almost so that I know which part is what. And then we'll be turning it in as either a PDF or you can put it on a Google Doc. It's up to you. But that's how we're going to turn it in. And we'll be turning it in not this week, but the following week. So it's just one turn-in instead of like 5 or 6 different separate turn-ins. So that's what we're working on this week. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them for you. Otherwise, I'll see you in class and hope you have a great rest of your day.